right, here we go. We're starting around the prop. This can be closer. Sorry. This can be closer. This can be seated. It can be laying down. It can be in a radius. There are lots, whatever really utilizes the prop. It can be on the prop, whatever. But solo dancer comes out, another leaves. Really make these curved paths. Focus comes to here. Saber leaves here. Not really spinning here. Focus is here on these dancers. Follow here. Just want to follow this pathway. Focus is still on dancer. Focus becomes on sabers. As one flag leaves, another flag adds in. Focus still on sabers here. And start to maybe add in a little more flag focus there. The right sabers are still the real focus there. Dancers move to the prop, utilize the prop for a second. Flags become the focus right on that change as the sabers pass through. Kind of an unwinding motion here. Flags move to this set, and then the sabers and the dancers join in trios. You can adjust the spacing here, and you can spread this out, whatever. We're trying to use this lily pad. I want to rotate around. This is just a chance to do some work, see different phrases, really use the texture of those parts. Kind of move this over so we can do this kind of a follow the leader idea. Really concentrate on the drill, that moving every 6 counts. Flags just kind of move here. Flags become the focus. The sabers are going to hand their saber to the dancer because now the sabers are rifles. So now the dancers are now sabers. The rifles pick them up here. We're leaving every 3 counts. And then rotating around, take up this space here. And then there's a long heel hold here around the prop. They can move in and out. The sabers can take a focus and then go down while the flags take a focus. You can rotate this if you feel like it needs more velocity. You can go in and out, but really use a lot of texture here. And then we'll start to move there. Just not done yet. So there's a start.